Hello students, so welcome to today's science class. In this video, we are going to solve a question from the chapter Atoms and Molecules. This question is based on the concept of percentage composition by mass. Okay, so first read the question. A 0.24 gram sample of compound of oxygen and boron was found by analysis to contain 0.96 gram of boron and 0.44 gram of oxygen. Calculate the percentage composition of the compound by weight. Okay. So basically the percentage composition mean the percentage of each element present in a compound. In a simple word, it tells us how much of the total mass belong to the each element. Okay. So formula is percentage of element equal to mass of the element upon total mass of the compound into 100. Right? The total mass of the compound is already given as 0.24 grams, right? So the mass of the boron is 0.96 gram, right? So now calculate mass of the element. तुम्हारा mass of the element हो जाएगा 0.096 upon 0.24 into 100 is equal to 40%, right? So the percentage of the boron, so here this is the percentage of boron, right? That is 40%. Now we calculate the oxygen. So now calculate the oxygen. Okay. So now let's calculate the percentage of oxygen. Its mass is 0.144 grams, right? So 0.144 upon 0.24 into 100. When we calculate this value, this will be equal to 60%, right? So the percentage of oxygen is 60%, right? Therefore, the percentage composition of the compound is boron equal to 40% and the oxygen equal to 60%. Okay. So for quick exam tip, here is a trick for all of you that You should remember that this type of question, which means part divided by total into 100. This type of question we can solve with this formula, that is part divided by total. Whenever you see percentage composition by mass, apply this formula for each element separately. Hope this solution was clear and easy to understand.